Boys and girls, look at this baby animal. What is this? Do you know the name of this baby animal? It's a baby horse, and a baby horse is called a colt. What is a baby horse called? Colt. Good job. I'm going to teach you the names of some more baby farm animals. A baby cow is called a calf. A baby cow is called a calf. Boys and girls, what is the baby cow called? Yes, a calf. A baby goat is called a kid. A baby goat is called a kid. What is a baby goat called, boys and girls? A kid. A baby donkey is called a foal. A baby donkey is called a foal. What is a baby donkey called, boys and girls? Yes, a foal. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. What is a baby rabbit called, boys and girls? A bunny. A baby pig is called a piglet. A baby pig is called a piglet. What is a baby pig called? Yes, a piglet. A baby duck is called a duckling. A baby duck is called a duckling. What is a baby duck called? Duckling. A baby chicken is called a chick. A baby chicken is called a chick. What is a baby chicken called? Yes, a chick. A baby sheep is called a lamb. A baby sheep is called a lamb. What is the baby sheep called? Yes, a lamb. Boys and girls, you are smarter.